So guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Taufal Aziz, and I'm from Department of English Education, Faculty of Educational Science, Syarif Hidayatullah, State Islamic University, Jakarta. Yeah, so today I want to review my 10 article. The first article is The first article is shooting game can be an educational game for children. Writer by Fania Wahyu and Chandrawati. In this article, any biographical information about the author in a part of acknowledgement. Yeah, as you can see, Fania Wahyu Febriani is a game technology student and she is very smart and she got beasiswa lah, beasiswa unggulan Kemendiknas Republik Indonesia, right? In this article, the audience of this article is parents. Because of this article, parents will know that shooting game can be an educational game for children. Yeah, because right now parents don't know how benefits for how benefits of playing game. And the purpose of the research not clearly stated, but I know what the purpose of this research. This research is purpose to introduce or explain the benefit of the playing game, especially for FPS. Okay, let's move to article number 2. Article number 2 is parental involvement in homework. Okay. Information about the author I got from the internet. Kathleen Hopper Dempsey. He is a professor of psychological and human development. And in this article, very suitable for parents. Again, for parents again. Like article number 1, right? This for parents. This article suitable for parents who have children in school and have homework. Parents become involved in their children homework, so the parents will know what activities and strategy they employ in the course of involvement. Yeah, the state purpose is to finding across a variety of studies within a theoretically sound framework to allow the identificationally of empirically grounded terms and the derivation of warrant suggestion for research and practice. Okay, I think let's move to article number 3. Article number 3 is Music, Health, and Well-being, writer by Raymond McDonald, Gunther Kretz, and Laura Michel. This article or this journal intended to everyone who like music like me. I very like listening music and I'm feel enjoy when I study when I study to and I study and I listening music. I'm very enjoy. This article give the arousal and mood hypothesis over and mood hypothesis explanation of the Mozart effect that has nothing to do with the Mozart music is simply one example of a stimulus that can change how people feel. The research, the objective of the research is to review studies that examine effect of music listening on cognitive performance. Okay, let's move to article number 4. Article number 4 is health education planning, a diagnostic approach, writer by Green, Crowther, Dietz, and Partridge and Bartlett. Yeah, this journal intended to everyone who needs to know about health education. Okay, to everyone. An acronym for predisposing, reinforcing, and enabling course in educational diagnosis and evaluation. I'm sorry. This article gives a basic propositions are emphasizes health and health behavior are caused by multiple factor. And the objective of the research is to influence to the impact of human behavior on health. Yeah, it's very simple in article. And let's move to article number 5. Article number 5 is Blue Ocean Strategy, written by Chan Kim and Rene McBurn. Chan Kim and Rene McBurn are professor at inside the World Second Business School. Yeah, as you can see at the my PowerPoint. So I can conclude the intended audience is a businessman who wants to know the kinds of a strategy and know the opportunities. And in this research, it clearly states that the aim is to show the strategy that must be live because many people are not aware that a strategy is very important. Okay, and let's move to article number 6. Article number 6 is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. Writer by Dale Carnegie. Yeah, Carnegie brief study in the American Academic Dramatic Arts and learned the leading role of Dr. Hartley in a traveling production of Polly of the Circus. I can conclude in this article that the intended audience is everyone, even from toddlers to parents. The author wants to discuss how to stop worrying and start living in the way that is in person mind because the worry is in our minds. The purpose of writing is to tell to the reader that worry is very easy to get right how start a new life without worrying anymore. This article uh, this is my favorite article. Okay, let's move to article number 7. The title is The Everything Creative Writing Book, writer by Wendy Bird Thomas. Yeah, I can conclude the intended audience is a student who wants to become a writer and create a book. Because in this book teach how to write book and how to write a novel and yeah, even how to publish a book. The author wants to introduce how to write books or novel properly and correctly, and in this book there are also ways if we want to publish our books. I think this book is very good, right? The writer wants students to be able to better able to develop their writing talents better. In this book, the author used step-by-step method using as preparing to write until getting publisher. Let's move to article number 8. Article number 8 is Has Inclusion Gone Too Far? Written by Alison Gilmore. As you can see, I got information about the author from internet. Dr. Alison Gilmore research and teaching interested include special education policies and intervention to improve teaching quality for students with disabilities. Yeah, so I can conclude that the intended audience in this article is teacher and student. For teacher, so that they know how to teach people with disabilities that are good and right. And for student, so that they know the importance of people with a disability getting education, especially for student who wants to become a teacher. Okay, in this research, it clearly states the model of special education known as inclusion. Okay, let's move to article number 9. Article number 9, the title is Unlocking the Science of How Kids Think, writer by Daniel Willingham. As you can see, Daniel Willingham born at 1961. He is a psychological at the University of Virginia, where he is a professor in Department of Psychology. I can conclude that the intended audience for this article is parents. Again, parents, especially teacher at school, so they can educate their children properly and open their minds about science. The purpose of writing is to tell the reader that so their teacher understand how to teach the right things for early childhood. Very important for teacher. Okay, let's move to the last article, article number 10. The title is The Main Purpose of Schooling, written by Michael McPherson. Yeah, as you can see, Michael S. McPherson was the fifth president of the Spencer Foundation and is a non-president senior fellow in the Center on Educational Data and Policy at the Urban Institute. So I can conclude that intended audience for this article is for a student, because a lot of very important information in this article for student. Yeah, the author wants to introduce beyond what education contributes to one's knowledge and skill. It also provides that adds to that experience. And the purpose of the research is very clear. The writer wants students to be better able to develop their writing talents better and wants more talented writers like himself. In this book, the author used step-by-step method. Yeah, thank you. That's all for me. I'm so sorry for a mistake. Ya, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.